If you're looking for the best affiliate marketing training for under $300, this video is for you. And I'm going to show you how you can save over 80% on this affiliate marketing training today. Now, I want you to understand something. Every affiliate marketing training out there is the same. I don't care if it's low ticket or high ticket. What I have discovered is that low ticket, if you get it from like Warrior Plus or ClickBank or something like that for $7 or $12, they're only going to upsell you in order for you to get the higher ticket. Okay. If you get the high ticket sales, okay, like E1U or Legendary Marketer or whatever the case may be, Legendary Marketer, you start off with $7. The next thing you know, they're upselling you to give you more training. This training that I'm presenting to you today or revealing to you today will help you get to where you need to be if you decide to just focus on it. And what I have learned in my affiliate marketing journey is this, that there are only 4 things, okay, that you need to focus on, okay? And there are some other things, but I just want to mention 4. Number 1, you need to know who you are talking to. If you're talking to everybody, you're talking to nobody. Number 2, you need to know where they are hanging out at, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, right here on YouTube. Number 3, you need to know the bait that you're going to use in order to get them into your world. And number 4, you need to get them a result. Okay. I know you're after results, but you want to get them a result. Now, let's go back to number 1, in which I'm talking about who are you talking to? Okay. I'm not talking to everybody on this channel. Okay. But it all depends upon the video that I do. This video is specifically geared towards beginner affiliate marketers who are looking for a specific training on affiliate marketing that's under $300 that is affordable for them. Where are they hanging out at? I know they are hanging out on YouTube, so I'm getting in front of them. What bait am I using? The training that's under $300 because that's what they are searching for. And number 4, the result that I'm going to get them, that if they focus on this training and stay focused and don't get sidetracked with other things, then they can have success with affiliate marketing regardless of what it is that they do. So that's what I want to share with you today, because look, I've been around affiliate marketing for a long time. Okay. And I've jumped from this to that, from that to this, only to discover that the training is the same. Every affiliate marketing course that you purchase, okay, every affiliate marketing course that comes out on the market, it all has the same principles. Okay. There's no secret. So don't think that there's a secret. There's something special you have to do. You just have to follow those 4 things. The main thing about affiliate marketing or any business is building your email list, okay? Because those are your customers. Those are the people who know, like, and trust you, okay? So you want to be building your email list, because with that email list, then you can have the success that you want. So I'm going to share with you a system that I learned or purchased a few years ago, about 2-3 years ago, okay? And I found myself going back to it again to go over the training again and again. And what I realized is the principles work if you learn the skill sets that it takes and put it into action. So with that being said, if you're willing to focus, okay, and do this and follow the steps, then you can have success. I'm not promising you that you're going to make money. I'm not promising you that you're going to make $5,000 a month or whatever. That's totally up to you. Okay. That depends upon the work that you put into this. So with that being said, let's go ahead on right now and let me show you what I have been going back to and how it can help you as a beginner affiliate marketing. So if you're ready, let's go. Sweet. Here's what I want to share with you. I want to share with you what is called the Freedom Launchpad. And trust me, if you get into this and actually put in the work, okay, you can have success. This was created by Nick. Okay. Please watch this 10-minute and this almost 11-minute video. Okay. With this system, It can take you from where you are to where you want to be. If you're sick and tired of struggling, trying to make money online, you're sick and tired of struggling, purchasing courses after courses, then this is for you. Okay. And it's under $300. You're going to be surprised at the price in which you're going to have to invest in order to get it. Now, when you come to this page, and the link will be in the description, watch this video. Okay. If you want freedom faster, you push this button right here. If you click no thanks, it's still going to take you to the Escape Plan book, which is based off of the Freedom Launchpad, or vice versa. The Freedom Launchpad is based off the Escape Plan book, the 30-minute workday escape plan. So it's all working together. So you can come and you can read this page right here, but I want to get down here, okay, and show you what you're going to get. Okay, here's everything you're getting with lifetime access to the Freedom Launchpad. Complete step-by-step over-the-shoulder Freedom Launchpad training, $497 value. All of this right here. Bonus one, the 30-minute workday escape plan audio book. I'm going to show you that. 24/7 access to our live help and support community. The $1 Million Done For You templates. Lifetime access to all feature updates, and the 30-minute workday super hack. Total value of $1,282. Your price is $27. You're going to save over 80%. Now, I'm going to keep it real with you. If you decide to purchase this, there are some upsells in here. Okay. One is for $17. The other one is to get you into HBA Premium. And the other one is to get you into the Financial Literacy Academy. Okay. So that's totally up to you. If you just want this right here, then just get this. Okay. Because I'm going to show you the training that you're going to get access to. Okay. But as I said before, the upsell that's in here is only $17. Okay. You get that. That's going to get you emails. Okay. To email to your list to set up in your autoresponder, because as I said before, you have to be building your email list. First and foremost, focus on building an email list of people who know, like, and trust you. Okay. So that's what you're going to get with this right here. Okay. Read this sales page, go all the way down through it. When you get to this button right here, click that button. It's going to take you to this page right here. You fill out the form. It shows you everything that you get over here. You have the option of getting the $17 order if you want to. If you don't, that's cool. If you do, cool. But right now, today, it's only $27. And look, there's no fear of missing out, FOMO. It's going to be $27 if you decide to come back 2 months from now. Okay. That's just straight up with you. So that's it right there. So this is the page, and this is to fill out the page. Now, I'll just kind of show you what you're going to get. You're going to get access to the Home Business Academy back office, but you won't have access to any of this up here. You will in the affiliate zone. Okay. In the affiliate zone is where you actually get access to everything. Okay. So you're going to have that, but you're going to come down here, and you're going to do Freedom Launchpad bonuses. And reason it says bonuses is because I'm going to show you another way that you can get it and get the Freedom Launchpad absolutely free if you should decide to do so. Okay. So if I click on that, it's going to take you to the modules. Okay. The Freedom Launchpad. You're going to get access to this. You're going to have the Freedom Launchpad modules. This is the welcome video, the perfect freedom formula, the perfect customer, the perfect products, the perfect pages, the perfect emails, the perfect traffic, the perfect daily steps. So if we go to the perfect freedom formula, okay, you're going to watch this video. This is accompanied with what you need to read in the escape plan guide. Okay. And I'm going to show you that guide in a minute. Okay. The perfect customer. This is actually an audio. Listen to it. I was listening to it again the other day, and what Nick says in here just makes sense. If you're struggling, you are going to learn how to become an effective affiliate marketer. Okay. Also, you're going to have the perfect products. Okay. And these videos here, picking the perfect products, all of this right here are training videos. Okay. The perfect pages is going to tell you how to collect leads and sell on autopilot using these two done for you pages. Okay. You're going to get all of this right here. You're going to read the pages. It'll, like I said, it accompanies the ebook. Okay. Setting up your list, setting up your capture page, setting up your handshake page, connecting pages. All of this information is right here. Okay. Everything you need to do. Okay. The perfect pages. You have the perfect emails. 3 emails you write just one time that makes sales for you for life. Okay. You have the perfect emails revealed, the perfect emails example in today's action step. Okay. Next, you have the perfect traffic. Okay. 7 steps to instantly tapping into a huge list of your perfect customers, getting them to your offer in as little as 24 hours. The perfect traffic formula. Okay. Then you have bonus resources and action step. Okay. As well. Then you have the perfect daily steps. Okay. This is what you need to do every day to have a 30-minute workday using the Freedom Launchpad. Okay. And all of this come at a low cost of $27, under $300. Okay. Resources for building your list and audience, resources for building value by increasing your knowledge and skill. All of this training right here is for you. Okay. Also with this, you're going to get the digital book. Okay. So we're going to look right now. You're going to get the digital book and the audio book. Here is the audio book where you can listen to it. You can download it, put it on a thumb drive, listen to it while you're exercising or whatever the case may be. You can do all of that right here with this. Okay. You can download and read along with the digital copy. This is the digital copy of the 30-minute workday escape plan. It is based off of these modules right here. Okay. All of this is right here. So you get to watch the video, you get to download the PDF, and you get to listen to it, at your leisure while you're working out, whatever you're doing, working in the yard, it doesn't make a difference. I promise you, if you just focus on this, the Freedom Launchpad, the 30-minute workday, you can have success. I find myself going back to this in order, to get back into the groove of things, because you can go to all these different programs, and I have List Lion, content creation, whatever, a lot of stuff, only to come back to my roots, only to come back to what I know is working. And look, what you're going to learn here is what a lot of the top marketers are teaching and charging you $300 or more to learn. Here, you can only get it for $27. Okay. Now, you can get this here, okay, for a one-time payment of $27 in the ultimate email traffic swipes if you want to, which I think you should get if you're looking to build your email list, which is what you should be doing. But also, you can get access to the all-in-one $25 digital business. Okay. What this does is it gives you access to the Freedom Launchpad and everything that you see on this page right here, the ultimate email traffic swipe, the email swipe, the traffic swipe, 50 done for you emails. This gives you access to everything for only $25 per month. Now, keeping it real with you, there are some upsells in here, but the upsells in here are the same upsells that's in the Freedom Launchpad. Okay. If you want to get into the training, then you can do that. Okay. So watch this video right here. And here's our simple 3-step plan to work with you. Go down through here. Okay. And I'm going to show you where you're going to get access to that at. Let's just scroll on down. Let's get here right quick. The super bonuses, I'm trying to get to it as quickly as possible. Bonuses. Okay. To get access to the escape plan is right here. All on this page for $25 a month. per month. Okay. The Freedom Launchpad course, all of here, right here. Bonus, mega bonus number 2, lifetime access to you need to get unlimited traffic. Convert that traffic into leads, sales, raving fans that buy everything you offer. Ultimate traffic swipe, traffic avalanche, how to get in front of 100,000 people in the next 24 hours. Exactly where you can find billions of people for pennies on the dollars. 50 pre-written emails, ultimate email swipe, 3 simple emails you type once turn leads into traffic and sale. Total value $12,253. Okay, so we can come back up here and you can go through this page and just look at everything else you get. So if you get this for $25 a month, you get access to everything that you were going to get here for free. Okay, so I didn't want you. What happens is people can promote this right here, you know, as an HBA affiliate, and they will earn a one-time sale of $27 and the $17 if people upgrade. But if you promote this here, then you earn $20 per month, 80% commissions for as long as a person stays in there. Okay, so you can get the Freedom Launchpad by clicking the link in the description below. You can also get, if you want to get the $25 digital business, then I highly recommend it as well. But regardless, you're going to get the Freedom Launchpad, the audio version, the 30-minute workday, and everything all in one. You just have to make a decision that that's what you want to do today. Okay. So go ahead, click the link in the description. It's 2 links down there. There's one for the Freedom Launchpad. There's one for the all-in-one $25 digital business. Whichever one suits you at the time, whichever one is affordable for you right now. I just highly recommend that you get the Freedom Launchpad if that's all you want. It's under $300. It is the best affiliate marketing training I know for beginners, and it's going to save you some money and a lot of headaches of just purchasing different products. So with that being said, if you would do me a favor, subscribe to the channel. Okay, like the video, leave me a thumbs up on the video. Leave a comment. If you have any questions, you can contact me. My information will be above or somewhere around this video. I know it's in the description as well, but go ahead, get in contact with me. Let me, answer any question that you may have. And if there's something I can do for you, you just let me know. But go ahead on right now. Click the links in the description. Subscribe to the channel. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.